for the 2 tons per hour palm fruit oil processing line. This processing line, it is automatic processing line. It includes the sterilizer, the thresher, the digester, the oil press machine, and the cleaning parts. The cleaning parts include the wrapping sieve, the oil purification tank, the pre-filter, the vacuum dryer. So for now, let me introduce one by one for you so that you can fully understand. So first of all, we need to take the palm fruit bunches, put it into the fruit cage, and the fruit cage will be transported into the sterilizer. What is the function of the sterilizer? The sterilizer, there are mainly 2 functions. The function 1, it is to reduce the free fatty acid, that means FFA. So as we all know, a lot of free fatty acid into the palm fruits, so it will influence the oil quality. So in order to reduce this, we need to cook it before we press it. So we can use the sterilizer to cook it to reduce the free fatty acid and make sure we can get the better quality oil and we can keep the oil longer time. And then, okay, we can soft the palm fruit bunches and soft the palm fruits so that we can easier to remove the fruit from bunches, and then it's easier to get enough more the oil from the fruits. And then, okay, after we finish the sterilizer, excuse me, it's here. Here it is the hot water tank, and the hot water tank can supply the hot water to the different parts. For example, the oil purification tank, the digester, so that we can keep the high temperature for this part and make sure the oil always be the liquid. Okay, let's go ahead. After we finish the sterilization, we can drop the fruits into the thresher. See, this is our thresher. The thresher, we can use it to remove the fruits from bunches because we already cook it and it's very softened. The fruits is easier to separate, and here the empty bunches can be separate, can be came out from here, and the fruits can be transported into the elevator. Elevator will take the fruits, go into the digester and go into the oil press. And for this one, we design the running 20 circle per 1 minute, so that the bunches can keep it enough more and we can separate very well and we can get almost all the fruits from bunches. And then after that, with the elevator, the fruits will go into the digester. The digester, we can, the main function of the digester is to break the fiber, because as we all know, the fruits, there's a lot of fiber on it. So in order to reduce the working pressure of the press machine, so we use the digester to break the fruits first, to make it be more soft. It's easier to press. And you will see the hole. This one we can put the hot water or the steam inside. So that's the function 1 of it. It is to soft the fruits. The function 2 increase we can use steam or the hot water to increase the temperature. So that the oil cannot be always liquid. And for now, here it is. Let's go to the oil press machine. See, this is oil press machine. the oil press machine is main body, is key machine in this processing line. This processing line capacity is 2 tons per hour, so we use 2 size machine for it. Each one is 1 ton per hour at least. So we use 2 tons per hour to make sure this processing line capacity is at least 2 tons per hour. You know, because according to our experience, this machine can work very well, and the process capacity is at least 1 ton per hour. So normally it's will working more. And for this one, it is special design used 2 double screw. That's why we call it double screw oil press machine. So we can use the hydraulic to control this part, to adjust the pressure. Make sure we can get enough more the oil from the bunches, from the fruits. And the oil will come out from here, and the palm fruits fiber and the kernel will come out from here. So at the same time, after you get oil, and we can get the fruits, and we can get the fruit fiber and nuts directly, and we can collect this one going to the palm fruits, palm kernel oil processing line to get the palm kernel oil. And this one, the hydraulic station can help us to easier to adjust the pressure so that we can get enough more oil. After we get oil, we can pump into the fiber, into the webbing sieve. This control cabinet, only one control, only this control cabinet can control everything. Let me go up to show you more details. See, after we get the palm fruit oil from the oil press machine, we can put it right here. This is webbing sieve. The material is stainless material. So you will see the 3 level. The different level, the sieve mesh is different, so that we can separate the material, the impurity very well. The bottom level, we can get the clean oil, and the clean oil we can pump into the oil clarifying tank. This oil clarifying tank is special design for the 2 levels inside, the outer and the inner level. So you will see the oil will be pumped from the bottom, and so that's the sand, because the sand is heavy, so the sand from the oil will go down, and the medium is the water level, and the top it is oil level, because oil is light. So that's at this time we can separate the sand from the oil, and the light oil, the clean and light oil will go into the inner level and be pumped into the leaf filter. The leaf filter is final filter. It can separate the impurity, the mini impurity, so that we can make sure our oil is not clean. And let's see. This is our leaf filter, and we have this one to control the oil. Finally, we can pump, we can get oil from here, and then finally we use the vacuum dryer. We use the vacuum dryer water from the oil, because if a lot of water into the oil, it will also influence the quality of the oil. So we use a vacuum dryer. Why we call it vacuum? Because normally in normal environments, we until to the temperature be 100 degrees, the water can be separate, can be the steam and separate. But now we use the vacuum system, so that's when the temperature be the 60 or 80 degree, we can separate the water from the oil. And finally, we can get the good quality and very clean and dry oil, and we can keep it longer time, and we can pump the oil go into the oil storage tank. If you have any other questions, you can connect with us, and so that we can, according to your requirements, give you the better advice to help you achieve your dream. Thank you.